Hey, good day, traders. Welcome to the market review. Right? If you haven't voted, remember to come and vote on the website here, marketwisetraders.com/market review poll, right? And then just scroll down here. Okay, we'll do FX. Let me just refresh this. You can vote for two pairs, and then the top two are the ones which I will review. So we're going to start off with Forex last week. It was pretty good. Both EU and EJ fell as was predicted. So let's just see what we're going to do this week. EJ 9%, EU 11, GU 9. Okay, UC 11, UJ 8. All right, so UC 11 and EU 11%. Okay, so let's have a look at those two pairs. Let's have a look at those two pairs, EU and UC. Okay, EU has been holding quite a bit of a tight range. Okay, this was the reset there. Get me annotate, right? I said this was a big high reset, right? And last week from the Monday, I'd expected him to stop and a bit higher and then drop, right? But he didn't even go that high. That's the dealer when I say him. So what I see here, okay, is because they've broken this, what was the previous low, so this is no longer valid. Because they've broken that level. Let's just see how many ADR have we moved from here. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, still I stick with what I said, as I said last week, because it hasn't really moved. I'm expecting one more push lower than this region. It's still kind of like, you can see this, it just pinned here. It didn't really quite break and trade below there. So I'm expecting one last push down, but not without a bit of something like this. And then there we might see him move up somewhere around the 200 there. Okay. So I'm just expecting one last push down on EU, and then yeah, around about 18, anywhere from 1800 to 1850. I don't know if they'll go as high as 1850, but anyway there, and we will have that sell. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. Of course, if they don't break this low for some time, you could take a buy, but I'm still expecting one more push down there on EU. Okay. Intraday trading, you can always just take the trade for the day, but I'd always advise you to go in line with the direction of the market maker, and that still looks bearish, even according to ICT. Okay, let's have a look at UC. Okay, this is dollar CAD. This is an old marking. Already you can clearly see a nice peak formation high was formed there, right? So we see this lovely peak formation high. I think this is a previous point that it touched. As you can see, how it just pinned. Oh, they just pinned that over there. They just pinned that. This is a previous peak formation. I mean a previous zone. But anyway, this is our peak here. Nice, lovely intraday M. This is as clear as day, guys. First drop, second drop. Let's just see how many pips this has moved. I think we get 240. Right, the ADR, it did move rapidly with that Canadian news. I think it was the previous week. 351 ADR, so still kind of like got some room to drop. So on UC, I'll be expecting, this is on dollar CAD, I'll be expecting dollar to just come into this region and then one last push down, and then after that we can go up, but not without first giving us that one more drop. And what region am I looking at? I'm looking at a little bit higher, yeah. 126.70 somewhere there, up to about 126.50. So we can say a little bit higher, 126.70 to about 126.50. That's the stop hunt, which I think they will make going in the opposite direction. So anywhere between this zone here, that's your strike box. I call it a strike box. You can take it for the last drop and then take it long. Okay. So this is what I see for this week currently. And remember, always have a pre-calculated risk. Don't just put positions in. These are probabilities which I'm expecting. It can go the right way, it can go against, but always have a pre-calculated risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Right, have your stop loss in place and know that your winning is over a series of trades, not on the very next trade. Okay, so happy trading, guys. I hope this has helped you, and I'll do the next video now on volatilities, and may the markets be with you. Happy trading.